Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Check out powerful machines like the Ponzi Scorpion King and Cat 990 wheel loader, designed for efficient farming and forestry. Stay tuned. The Water King WK250 is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient water pumping. It is powered by a robust engine and features a high-capacity pump capable of moving large volumes of water. The WK250 is ideal for irrigation, drainage, and water transfer in farms and fields. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance even under tough conditions, making it a reliable tool for farmers. The Tesmec 1150 EVO is a powerful and efficient trenching machine used in agriculture for digging trenches. It is ideal for laying irrigation pipes, cables, or other underground utilities. Equipped with advanced technology, the Tesmec 1150 EVO offers precise digging, reducing soil disruption. Its high-performance engine and durable design ensure reliability and productivity, making it a valuable tool for agricultural projects. The Planmax X2 planting unit is an advanced agricultural machine designed for precise seed planting. It ensures uniform seed placement and optimal depth, enhancing crop yield. With adjustable settings, it can plant various seeds efficiently. The Planmax X2 offers high performance, reducing labor and increasing planting accuracy for farmers. The Cat Model 993 loader is a heavy-duty machine used in agriculture for moving large quantities of materials such as soil, sand, and fertilizer. With its powerful engine and large bucket capacity, it efficiently loads and unloads materials. Its robust design ensures durability, while the advanced hydraulics provide smooth operation, making it essential for large-scale farming operations. The Liebherr LTM 11200 is a powerful mobile crane used in agriculture for lifting and transporting heavy equipment and materials. Its impressive lifting capacity and advanced hydraulics allow it to handle large-scale operations with ease. The LTM 11200 offers excellent stability and versatility, making it essential for tasks requiring high precision and strength. The 870M Senebogen is a high-performance material handler designed for agricultural applications. It is used for lifting and moving heavy loads, such as crops, containers, and machinery, with precision. Featuring a powerful engine and durable hydraulic system, it offers excellent reach and stability. The 870M improves efficiency in tasks like loading, unloading, and material handling in agriculture. The HB 1100's Bielhack is a powerful agricultural machine used for harvesting and handling crops efficiently. With its robust engine and advanced features, it ensures smooth operation in tough conditions. This machine is ideal for large-scale farming, offering high productivity and reducing manual labor. The TH545 by Sandvik is a high-performance underground loader used in agriculture for transporting materials like soil, rocks, and debris. Equipped with advanced hydraulics and a powerful engine, it ensures efficient and smooth operation in challenging conditions. Its compact design allows for maneuverability in tight spaces, improving productivity in agricultural mining and material handling tasks. The HEM 593R Cobra is a versatile agricultural machine designed for precise soil cultivation and land preparation. With its powerful engine and durable construction, it efficiently tills and prepares large areas of land for planting, improving soil quality and enhancing crop yields. The Perkins STC is a reliable and efficient tractor engine commonly used in agricultural machinery. Known for its fuel efficiency and durability, it provides excellent power for various farming tasks such as plowing, harvesting, and hauling. The engine's robust design ensures long-lasting performance even in challenging farming conditions. The Roxgon Refinator H4 is an innovative land preparation machine used in agriculture to remove rocks and stones from the soil. Its unique design efficiently breaks and levels rocky terrain, improving soil quality for better crop growth and reducing labor costs in the land clearing process. The XL BladeMate is an agricultural machine used for land leveling and soil preparation, improving seedbed quality for better crop yields. The Pollock Modular Platform ESS is an advanced agricultural machine designed for versatile field operations. It provides a stable and adaptable platform for various attachments, enhancing productivity. Ideal for tasks like planting, harvesting, and irrigation, it ensures efficiency and precision in diverse farming environments. The L1200 is an agricultural machine designed for efficient material handling and moving heavy loads. Its powerful engine and robust hydraulics make it ideal for lifting and transporting crops, equipment, and other materials. The L1200 enhances productivity and reduces labor in large-scale farming operations. The CAT 785D is a heavy-duty off-highway truck used in agriculture for transporting large volumes of materials like soil, rocks, and crops. With a powerful engine and high load capacity, it ensures efficient movement in large-scale farming operations, enhancing productivity and reducing downtime. The DFM Fruller Buncher is an agricultural machine designed for efficient harvesting and bunching of crops like sugarcane. It cuts and gathers crops into neat bunches for easy transport. With its powerful engine, it improves harvesting efficiency, reduces labor, and ensures high productivity in large farming operations. The BMM 410 is an agricultural machine used for efficient soil cultivation and land preparation. Its powerful engine and durable design make it ideal for tasks like plowing, tilling, and leveling fields. This machine enhances productivity and ensures smooth operations on large-scale farms. Dual-powered road trains are agricultural vehicles designed for transporting large loads over long distances. Powered by both diesel and electric engines, they offer enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. These versatile machines improve transportation efficiency, making them ideal for moving heavy agricultural materials and equipment. The Manitowoc 18000 is a large crawler crane often used in agriculture for lifting heavy materials and equipment. Its powerful engine and high lifting capacity make it ideal for moving bulky loads like irrigation systems or large farming machinery, ensuring efficient operations on large-scale farms.
The Manitowoc 18000 is a large crawler crane often used in agriculture for lifting heavy materials and equipment. Its powerful engine and high lifting capacity make it ideal for moving bulky loads like irrigation systems or large farming machinery.